In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Meta Business Suite. Whether you're managing a small team or a larger organization, knowing how to add users efficiently can really help streamline your tasks and ensure everyone has the right level of access for their role. So let's walk through the process together. First things first, we need to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, head over to the Settings option. You'll find this in the menu along the sidebar to your left. It might sometimes be labeled slightly differently like Business Settings and depending on the version you're using, but it will be located in this section. After clicking on Settings, a new menu will appear. Look for the People option and click on it. Now that you're on the People page, this is where you'll manage who can access and work on your business assets. On this page, look for the button that says Invite People. It's usually marked with a plus sign, making it easy to spot. Once you click on this, a new window will pop up, prompting you for the user's email address. This is the email they'll use to accept your invitation and access the Meta Business Suite, so make sure they have access to it. Next, you'll need to assign the appropriate level of access for this user. You'll notice a couple of options here: basic or full control. Basic access is great for team members who just need to perform specific tasks without having control over critical settings or other users. In contrast, full control is ideal for senior staff or team leaders who need the ability to manage settings and oversee the team's activities. Choose the level that best fits the role of the person you're inviting. After you've decided on the level of access, you'll see options to select which specific business assets the new user will be managing. This step allows you to tailor their permissions further, ensuring they only see and handle what's relevant to their tasks. Simply tick the boxes next to the assets you want them to be able to manage. Once you've set everything up, take a moment to review everything before sending the invitation. Verify the email, confirm the access level is correct, and double-check the selected business assets to avoid any mistakes. When you're satisfied that everything looks right, go ahead and click on Send Invitation. The new user will receive an email invitation, and once they accept it, they'll be part of your Meta Business Suite team. And there you have it. This is a straightforward yet crucial process that ensures your team has the right permissions to work effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.